Spatial computing, the next frontier. Hey tech enthusiasts, ever dreamed of a world where the digital and physical seamlessly blend, where information floats around you, reacting to your every move? That future is closer than you think. We're diving deep into the exciting world of spatial computing. Spatial computing is more than just augmented or virtual reality. It's about understanding and interacting with the physical world through digital interfaces. Think of it as computers finally understanding space the way we do. It's about creating immersive, interactive experiences that go beyond the limitations of a screen. Several technologies are converging to make spatial computing a reality. Let's explore some of the key players. First, we have advanced sensors. These sensors map our environment in real time, understanding depth, motion, and object recognition. Next up is powerful processing. All that sensor data needs to be processed quickly and efficiently to create realistic and responsive experiences. Finally, we have cutting-edge display technologies. From augmented reality headsets to holographic projections, these displays bring the digital world into our physical space. Spatial computing is poised to revolutionize numerous industries. The possibilities are truly endless. In healthcare, surgeons can use augmented reality to visualize complex procedures. This allows for greater precision and improved patient outcomes. In manufacturing, workers can use spatial computing to access real-time instructions and collaborate on designs. This increases efficiency and reduces errors. Retailers can create immersive shopping experiences that allow customers to visualize products in their own homes. This enhances engagement and drives sales. Developers are at the forefront of this revolution. Your creativity and skills will shape the future of spatial computing. You'll be building the applications, designing the interfaces, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The opportunities are vast, and the challenges are exciting. So, how can you get involved? There are many resources available to help you get started. Explore platforms like Unity and Unreal Engine, which offer powerful tools for creating spatial experiences. Dive into ARKit, ARCore, and other SDKs to build applications for mobile devices and headsets. Experiment with different sensors and tracking technologies to understand how they work. The key is to start experimenting and exploring. As with any powerful technology, spatial computing raises important ethical considerations. We need to think about privacy, security, and accessibility. How do we ensure that spatial data is collected and used responsibly? How do we prevent the creation of biased or discriminatory experiences? These are important questions that we need to address as we move forward. It's our collective responsibility to ensure that spatial computing is used for good. Spatial computing is more than just a trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and the world around us. It's a future where the digital and physical are seamlessly integrated, creating richer, more immersive, and more intuitive experiences. Are you ready to be a part of it?